Solving a linear equation algebraically. So to solve the linear equation means, so for example, let us take one example here. If it is 3x plus 5 is greater than 8. Now this is a inequation, one variable. So linear inequation, one variable it is. To solve the given linear equation means to find the value or values of this variable. Okay, this is x is a variable. So we need to find the value of this x. Okay, only single if you take like x is less than 2, that meaning is x value is less than 2, like 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 so on. So that means finding the value or values of the variable used in it. No, this is nothing but solving linear equation. To solve these linear equations we have some rules. Okay, this is the inequation. For example, rule wise I'll explain, then you can remember the concept easily. The first rule is on transferring positive term to other side, it becomes negative. Okay, positive term, if you interchange to another side, means LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS side, it becomes negative. See example, 2x plus 3, so is greater than 7. So 3 is the positive term. When interchange on transferring a positive term from one side of the inequation to its other side, then the sign of the term becomes negative. Sign of the term becomes negative. Plus 3 it is, right? If you transpose, it becomes minus 3. Now this is 2x, same sign. 7 plus 3 is minus 3. So positive term becomes negative term. There is a transferring a positive term from one side to other side, it becomes negative. Even 23 greater than or equal to 4x plus 15. Here is 15 is the positive term. If you transpose other side, one side to other side, 23 is greater than 4x. This 15 transposing, it becomes minus 15. Okay, sign will be changed. That is positive term becomes negative. Same rule 2 also. This is just quite opposite for first one. If it is a negative term, transposing, it becomes positive term. Okay. See one example. The same example you see once previous, like 2x minus 3 if you take. 2x minus 3 is greater than 7. Then minus 3 is a negative term it is. So negative term becomes positive by transferring another side. 7 plus 3 minus 3 becomes plus 3. Okay, these are the simple rules, rule 1 and 2. And next 3 and 4, total 6 rules I'll explain in this so that you can remember easily how to solve. Then when you come to this rule 3, here is if each term of an equation will be multiplied or divided. Let us take, for example, x is less than or equal to 6. Each term of the inequation be multiplied or divided by the same positive number, then sign of inequality remains same. Same positive number if you multiply both the sides. Now for this, if I multiply 2 both the sides, so 2 into x less than or equal to 2 into 6. 2 into 2 into same positive number when I multiplied both the sides, inequality does not change. So this is nothing but 2x is less than or equals to 12. X is less than or equal to 6, no, then 2x is less than or equal to 12. Not only multiplied, even divided. Dividing case also. For example, x is less than or equals to 2. Divide by positive term. X divided by 2 less than or equals to 2 divided by 2. Then x divided by 2 less than or equals to 1. So same, x is less than or equal to 2, exactly x divided by 2 less than or equal to 1. That means if each term of the inequation be multiplied or divided by the same positive number, then inequality sign does not change. Okay, like rules we can write in this type. If x is less than y, then px is less than py. So here is p is the positive number, only positive. Same way, if x is greater than y, if any number is multiplied, px is greater than py. So here is p is not equal to 0 and p is positive. If any positive number, if you multiply it or divide it same way. And similarly, from this also we can take divisions also you can take like x by p less than same y by p for this first one. Same x by p is greater than y by p. So it does not change. That means on multiplication or dividing same positive term, both the sides, inequality does not change. Okay, this is the important rule. Now if it is negative, what will happen? Okay, let us see rule 4. If each term of the inequation be multiplied or divided same negative number, what will happen? So inequality sign should be changed. If it is negative number, let us take x is less than or equal to 6. Both sides if I multiply with negative 2, in case if I multiply both the sides negative 2, okay, this side is 6, right? X is less than or equal to 6, both sides negative 2 when I multiply, then inequality sign should be changed. So if it is less than or equal, becomes greater than or equal. So minus 2x greater than or equals to minus 12. This is very important. When you multiply or divide with the negative number, both the sides, inequality sign should be changed. See why the reason. We know 2 is less than 3. If I multiply with minus 1 both the sides, then this becomes minus 2 minus 3. So 2 is less than 3, but minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Right? One equation, or else minus 3 is less than 5. Negative 3 is less than 5. If I multiply with minus 2 both the sides, then what will happen? Minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. But 6 is not less, so it becomes greater. So inequality sign is changed, you see. Okay, it's important rule. When we multiplied negative, not only multiplied, even divide. When you divide or multiply with the negative number, both the sides, inequality sign should be changed. Right? This is the rule we need to apply. And when you come to this rule 5, both the sides. If sign of each term, both the sides of inequality change. Both sides, if we change, also same it is. Minus 2. Okay, both the sides means minus x is less than or equals to minus x. Then both sides, if we change the sign, if I want to change this both the sides, both negatives becomes positive, means in this case also it should be changed. Okay, this is actually rule 5 we can take. In case both are negative, if you change the sign, then this inequality sign should be changed. Okay, and next, the last rule, rule 6, to solve. If the reciprocals, for example, x is greater than y, reciprocal of x is 1 by x, reciprocal of y is 1 by y, then greater than becomes less than. That means if both the sides of an equation are positive or both are negative, inequality. If both sides of the inequation are positive or both are negative, then taking their reciprocals, the sign of inequality reverse. Inequality must be reverse here. Okay, let us see one example. 3 is greater than 2, right? But 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Both positive or both are negative in that case only. Even minus 3 is less than 2. But one is negative, one is positive, should not consider. So only both must be negative. So minus 3 and is less than, for example, if you take minus 4, generally on number line 0, this side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So minus 4 is less. That means minus 3 is greater, because minus 3 is right side, minus 3 is left side. Some more. So if minus 3 is greater than minus 4, then reciprocal of this minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, then greater becomes less. So simple rule, if both sides are negative or both sides are positive, if you take the reciprocals, then inequality sign will be reversed. Yes, these are the 6 important rules we'll apply in these problems, and when I'm doing the solutions for the inequations also, I'll explain again.